Third, inflation is cold, but gold is hot. Let's take a look at the two and see how they're related to the value of the US dollar. First of all, on this axis, we have the Consumer Price Index, which is roughly equivalent measurement to like inflation. They may not be exactly alike, but they're only a couple tenths apart. It's what it means for you and me in terms of what we see, the value of things, or the price of things actually, that we're looking for going up. We go from 2.9% annually to 2.4%, which is just what got released. That under the Trump administration, love him or hate him, his administration is setting economic policy, and this is what's happening, that the inflation rate is down at 2.4%. Remember when the Fed said they wanted to see inflation closer to 2% before they would lower rates at a more rapid rate, which would help the affordability of housing and help companies get loans at lower prices to expand and buy warehouses and do all the things they need to grow? Guess what? You're very close to it. But along that same line, what is going up with gold? At the same time, this axis shows where gold went from 2,800 to 5,500. I think we're 5,450 this morning as we look at this in the middle of February. And look at that. Why is that? Well, it's because the inflation was down, but at the same time, the purchasing power of the dollar is still impacted, and the actual value of the dollar as a currency was down, which means gold value goes up. It takes more dollars to buy gold. Bingo. So more dollars to buy the same gold, the price of gold is up. So you can see how it's all correlated, and gold is something of an inflation hedge, at least if you listen to Peter Schiff and the people that are proponents of it. Should you have all gold? No. Is it prudent to have some gold or a gold ETF? I would say probably yes. I'm not an investment advisor. Make your own opinion.